Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I am heading out to the garden to harvest and as well to talk to you guys about a lot of things. So I have been working on multiple projects, and at this point in this time of the season, this is the best time to work on projects. Rather you're building or clearing your gardens or even preparing your beds for the upcoming season. As I walk around the garden, I actually have decided to do a couple things differently. Now, I have thought about doing a drip irrigation, which I kind of still is leaning on not doing because I kind of like to water my plants hands-on. Kind of gives me a better understanding of my plants out in the garden. Not as much to check on my plants because I feel like they haven't gotten watered. But when I do go out into the garden just to check, I kind of like, oh, these need water. This right here need fertilizer. This right here needs to be tilled up, loosened up the soil just a little bit. Things like that. So I really recommend trying to just make sure that you do walk out in your garden. Now, I did went ahead and water over here early this morning, and I've noticed something, and I didn't take heed of this now. So now that the time is changing, and I'm realizing, as you guys can see, it's a lot darker over here now. And that is because of this. And I didn't think about where the shadow will cast. So I know that the plants will do so much better in the spring and summer because it won't get beat up so much by the sun. But now that we're going into winter, we need our plants to get as much growth as possible. And as you guys can see, these cauliflower back here are slowly coming in. And I mean slowly coming in. And why I'm saying that is because I planted this over here much later in the game. So much later, okay? So you can kind of tell the difference in the height of the plants, the color of the plants. Actually, the cauliflower over there is dark green, and I mean dark green. And that's because it still ain't getting hit so much by the sun, but they're not taking on as much growth as I would like. Trying to pinpoint some of the things that you might see out in your garden that you might need to work on. And as well, I still haven't got to doing that prep table. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and look at that before I even get into harvesting in today's video. All right, so right here is my pile of plants and soil that I plan on planting out into the garden, okay? And then this is what I want to show you guys. Here is the prep table. I still have the prep table, but I'm going to break it completely down. I'm going to save the wood. I'm not going to throw away my wood. I am a repurpose girl, and I'm going to repurpose it because I feel like if I can save it, I will. So I will be going ahead and busting this table completely down and then rebuilding it. And I am thinking about turning the sink this way or might turn it the long way. I'm not sure yet, and I still need to wrap my mind around how I'm going to get that area done. But I want it to stay in that spot because I want to be able to still drive. I still want to be able to drive through here literally with a vehicle and as well with the mower. So I don't want that sink to stick out as far as it did. All right, because I still want to be able to curve right into here, and then we can go back there. All right, so that's one project that I definitely want to go ahead and get done. And as well, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek on choice of tile that I decided to go for my prep table. Now, I did find this at Lowe's, you guys, on a super duper deal. And now, guys, when I'm telling you, I have a tendency to find deals because that's what I'm going to do. I can be a millionaire, and honeys, I'm still going to find a good deal. All right. So anyways, I picked out at Lowe's. It is actually a beautiful tile. It's indoor-outdoor tile. And you guys, I'm not going to complain. I know It's a little bit on the elegant side, but I couldn't beat the price. I literally, for all 8 pieces, you guys, paid literally $7 and some change. $7 and some change for 8 pieces. They originally were $2.98 a piece per square foot. I paid only $7 and some change for 8. I ain't gonna complain. It's a little bit more elegant than I wanted it to be. I was going for more of a mosaic tile, but when I saw that deal, I said I can work it. I can work it. Can't y'all say the same thing? I'll work it. Okay, so we're gonna work it. All right, but so with our gardens, topping off our beds, preparing ourselves throughout the winter, fixing those trellises, fixing any plastic, any high tunnels, building new greenhouses, laying down just new compost throughout your beds, things like that. So this is why I say this is our downtime. Make great use of it, because before we know it, we're going to be seed starting again. And then, or before we know it, we're going to be out in our gardens again, planting up more goodies. Okay, so keep that in mind. But in today's video, we are going to be harvesting the ginger. All right, let's see what we got. Because honestly, some of them is pretty small, and I was kind of worried that they weren't going to get any bigger. But you guys, I want my garlic planted. I'm going to see what we got. It is starting to turn a little bit and turn yellow, so that means it is a sign to go ahead and take it out. So let's go ahead and start with this small patch right here. Let's see. That's not too bad. They're on the small side. I expected that to be. So, kind of small, but it's all right. Let's see. Let me grab this little piece here. Let's grab this one. All right. Here we go. All right. We look like that is a pretty good ginger there, you guys. Look at there. Look at that. All right. Let's see what else here. Here we got. All right. Take all that with us. Let's see. Make sure I didn't leave nothing behind there. There we go. And you guys can see the old ginger as well. This is the old ginger right here. And then this one didn't break down at all, and it's still pretty hard. So guess what? You guys, y'all already know what I'm going to do. I will be replanting this, okay? And same thing go for this piece. Can you guys see that? That has not broken down. But we're going to snap that off. This is the old ginger. All right, so got some new ginger here. Right there. All right, we've got a pretty good harvest so far. All right, let's see what we got here. It's been a while since doing a harvest video. Oh my goodness. Look at these little teeny things. Oh my goodness. But oh my God, it smells so good. They're teeny tiny. I'm gonna get all the ones I was up. All right. All right, let's jug this one. Nice, very nice. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my goodness, look at that. Stunning color. Oh my God, it smells delicious out here. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to make me a pot. Oh, some stir fry with some fresh ginger. All right. Let's see, anything else laying in here? All right. Because I'm going to get this bed ready for the garlic. All right, let's see. Oh, got weed in there. Let's see what you think. Oh, nice. Can y'all see how the ginger clusters up? How pretty. Look how pretty that is. Let's see if you guys can see the old piece. Let's see if you guys can see it. See it right there? This is the old piece of ginger right there. And this is the new ginger. I literally put a little teeny tiny piece, and this is what we got. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Lovely, lovely. And they probably could stay down just a little bit longer. Got just a tad bit bigger, but that's all right. All right. Got ginger. And then we got this piece. Let's see what we got here. I don't know where to grab. Let me grab right this one. Some little ones here. Oh, teeny tiny. Oh, y'all, the wind is blowing just a little bit, and it smells delicious. Delicious, delicious. Oh my goodness, y'all, look. I just love it. Can y'all guys see it? All the ginger. All right, we got that all out. Let's see. Shake that off. Look at there. Just beautiful. There's the old ginger. You see how tiny that piece was? And it's actually still hard. Like I said, I'm going to be replanting that. Okay, they will give me a little bit more. All right. Let's see. Lovely harvest today. Lovely, lovely harvest today. Oh, let's see. Let's see what we got. Last one. And you could plant this back. You can actually leave some down, and believe it or not, it will come back. Okay, if you do leave some down, it will come back. I'm quite sure what it does is it's going to stay dormant in the ground. It's going to stay dormant in the ground, and then it will come back. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, so we have harvest our ginger, and then I will prepare this bed maybe in the next couple days, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and prepare this bed and get this bed ready for my garlic. So I definitely need my garlic, so I will be preparing this whole, I would say this is 4x4. This is a 4x4 bed. This spot, because this bed is actually a 4x8. So this will be a nice space for my garlic. And since you guys, this is like that spot that y'all like, T, I don't know how you're gonna grow in this spot, because this spot's gonna be my spot where I don't have to go into it too often. And that rosemary is gonna grow just fabulous in here. I definitely need to go ahead and fill it up, guys. You can see this side of the bed is filled, okay? And this is the same exact attached bed, but I need to go ahead and pour more soil into this bed. But look at the bok choys over here. They're doing amazing. But we have harvested our beautiful, wonderful, and amazing ginger. Oh, okay, you guys, we at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here is our ginger harvest. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload a video. And like I always tell you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. Happy gardening. And I'll see you guys in the next one.